Okay, now I'm using the Starlink app to check the speed test. Okay, it's the Starlink app. Okay, the dish is still on the route, so you still see the message that says some objections. We need to fix it later, but now let's see the Starlink. The Starlink right here. Now I'm gonna hit the speed test. Okay, right here, speed test. See how it's go. It's iPad to internet. I'm 250. Now upload. 6-7 May upload. Now the router to the internet. Overtune it a little bit. Upload 820, 19, 20, 19, 18. Now the iPad to the router 400 me. Now the upload June 6 June 70. Very good testing. To the router to internet. This is the iPad to internet. iPad to router to internet.